case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 1995 case, United States Fidelity and Guaranty Company, VA&S Manufacturing Company, caught attention as it delved into how courts must determine realignment in a lawsuit, focusing on aligning parties based on the primary purpose and the main matter in dispute. The case began when A&S Manufacturing Company sought insurance coverage from 3 insurers, including USF G for environmental liabilities. USF G filed a federal lawsuit for a declaration of their rights and duties, while A&S filed an almost identical case in a New Jersey state court and tried to realign parties in the federal lawsuit. The district court dismissed the case for lack of diversity after A&S was made the sole defendant, with all 3 insurers as plaintiffs. USF G appealed, claiming the court used the wrong test for realignment. The appellate court affirmed the dismissal, ruling that the district court correctly applied the principal purpose test. The decision ultimately maintained that the court properly focused on the insurer's liability to A&S as the main issue, while disputes among insurers were of secondary importance.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.